Arna, you should be at school today, but the school told me that you were absent. You know you should be at school during school time. If I don't know you are not at school, it makes me very worried and I can't concentrate at work. If you want to do something during school time, I want you to call me and ask permission first. I'm too angry with you to discuss this, but I do want to talk about the thing you do with your friend. So you wait here, and I'll be here in a few minutes. I have decided to ground you for a week. So it starts today. That means coming straight home after school every day and staying home every evening and over the entire weekend. Okay? And you are never excused school time before. From now on, I expect you no absent at school. Okay? Okay.